5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. First group. Guys, take position. First group off. Let's go.
Hey guys, Sky is here. Today we implement the biggest show in GCC region.
Today we're making history. 2 launches of 6,000 drones and 200 pyrotechnic drones in just 2 hours.
We're launching 6,000 twice. So in fact, we're launching 12,000 drones in a day.
Today in Abu Dhabi, we're presenting the grand opening of an amazing museum created by designers from Japan, Team Lab Abu Dhabi. A tremendous amount of work has been done to prepare for this massive and powerful event. The Sky team is fully ready, and today is the very day to showcase this story and create it right here, right now.
For the 6,000 drones, our pilots are stationed on the tower. From there, they have a great view of everything. They can give tips if someone misses something that needs to be fixed. As the show unfolds, a team of 70 local workers is actively supporting the organization in setup, particularly in the precise placement of the drones. Each team member was trained in the specific procedures and safety protocols required for working with light show drones, ensuring a smooth and successful performance.
You have in one line 50 drones. You put the batteries, connect them, and after that go to the next line. We have a start time set for 7:30. When it's time, all of you go out onto the field and change the batteries. Is everything clear? Thank you!
We've divided the matrices into sections. We've assigned zones of responsibility to each person. It will look as if we're preparing 6 separate projects. Because launching 1,000 drones at once is something we can already do single-handedly. But making sure that everyone does everything precisely is only possible if you delegate all the tasks really well to different people.
On this project, I am responsible for making sure the entire fleet is ready for launch. Some drones occasionally break down. Their blades or propellers might get damaged, or their LEDs might stop working. With the help of the technical team, I replace these drones and reprogram them with the correct flight mission so they fly exactly along their trajectory and don't crash into other drones. Right now, we're in the process of running checks, and during these checks, we make such replacements.
We're checking 6,000 drones to make sure they all take off successfully later. Basically, this is the clearance for drones to fly, and some drones can be filtered out before the flight starts, so there's time to replace them. We have 2 arrays of 3,000 drones each. Each array has 5 cells. Each cell has 1 person responsible for it. Everyone gathers information and gives it to us, and we give feedback to the higher-ups.
Right now, there are 3 of us, and our job is replacing drones. If something is wrong with a drone, technicians bring it to us, and we fix any problems that may occur.
This is my replacement station, and I swap out drones that are faulty in one way or another so that everything can fly.
It's a massive number of drones, and you have to keep track of all of them, even though you can pour all these thoughts into notes, which is what I do. There are still so many things you have to process gradually, and every evening, after the show, after the flights, you have to gather everything back together, all those drones, so they're ready to fly again next time.
What was the hardest thing for you on this project?
Probably the work schedule.
We get to the hotel for breakfast, go to bed, then around noon we get up and head out to work. We work all night, then come back for breakfast, and I have to get back to work. The work never stops. There's really no time to even take a break and say a few words to the interviewer.
For me personally, the hardest part was preparing the animation in a way that the client would like everything, because this was the 29th concept they finally approved. Before that, there were tons of revisions. And when we finally did everything the way they wanted, everyone breathed a sigh of relief and realized that we could do it, that we could launch it. We received the animation at the moment when the whole team was already on location, and we were making the final tweaks on the day of the first tests. The animation for the drone light show was deeply inspired by the architecture and immersive art installations within Team Lab Abu Dhabi. Drawing from the museum's fluid, boundary-breaking aesthetic and its celebration of the interconnectedness of art, technology, and nature, the animation team sought to translate that spirit into the sky, bringing the museum's essence to life in a new dimension. Adding to the excitement, the entire team was thrilled to learn that the experience would be accompanied by a live performance from the renowned composer Ludovico Einaudi. His evocative music, known for its emotional depth and meditative beauty, the combination of light, space, and sound promises to create an unforgettable multi-sensory experience.
In the Emirates, the company must have an official representative with necessary accreditation. And I call Abu Dhabi Airport to inform them that we started working, and the airspace above us is closed. That means helicopters and airplanes can't fly below 1,000 feet.
The set is clear. All the helpers have left.
Careful, the second group's takeoff has started.
The second group of drones is taking off, and from the launch zone, on their way to the museum, they cross the road. That's exactly why traffic is restricted. So people can't get to the Louvre. They can't get to the museum because the security zone crosses the road. The whole thing lasts about 16 minutes in total, and people will have to wait until all the drones have landed before they can move anywhere from this intersection.
Seriously, we're down to the final push. We're already on the home stretch, so according to the plan I sent in the tech chat, basically, we're working the same way as yesterday. Please note, our time will be limited. It's best if we try to finish in the shortest time possible. We're not running around the site so we don't bump into the drones, but we're also not moving at a snail's pace. Everyone should be in vests, wearing helmets, and carrying batteries and tools. Just make sure to check that you have everything you need. We stay in Google Meet almost until the end of the second show. Alright, guys, honestly, today we can set a record for the whole GCC region, and we're going to do it.
All right, we have 12 minutes to get everything done. Once again, -5. Checkpoint passed. Now, guys, attention to the motors. Be careful. "25, 4, 17, 15, 24, 38. Sending it. That's it. We're flying.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go.
First group. Guys, take position. First group off. Let's go. Guys, focus on the drones. The second batch is lighting up. Everyone be careful. Thanks, guys. It was awesome. Let's do it again.
That is 2 shows today. First one is successfully done. Now is preparation for second.
Right now, the batteries are being replaced at the site. 70 people are swapping out those batteries. Another 20 people from our team are checking these replacements. Everything's getting done pretty quickly, because before this, those people had 3 days of training. Right now, we're swapping everything out, double-checking everything, going through all the inspections, and getting ready to launch another show.
There were only 2 hours between launches, and in that time, we had to remove all the old batteries and put in new ones. Luckily, we had helpers for that, but they also needed to be supervised. And because of that, of course, there wasn't much time to swap out the drones, since after the first show we had to replace like 10 to 15 drones. We had to find the spots where they were missing, fix those drones, then replace the batteries, and after that, there were checks, but already under tight deadlines.
Once again, 20, 25, 4, 17, 17, 51, 53. I'm setting the time. Nothing else can be changed. Making history for the second time. All right, guys, go, go, go. Everyone be careful. 3,000 are flying into your zone. The second group has taken off.
Cairo, come on, come on, come on, guys, let's go.
Full takeoff. You guys are awesome. Just awesome.
There they are, my little ones. All of them.
Guys, damn. We set a record for GCC. We launched the biggest project.
We'll have time to recharge the batteries. Everything's already loaded up. We just need to restore things.
We can restock for one show, definitely not for two. That's 1,000,000% certain.
So, here's the plan. We'll do one launch. We'll have all the pyrotechnics ready for tomorrow so they arrive on time, and we'll rehire all the helpers. Our own people will change their tickets, and we'll fly out as late as possible, preferably not before 9.
Tomorrow is the third show.
Let's go. Let's do it.
This is the third launch, so that's 18,000 drones in 2 days. This is a record we've never set before, and I think no other drone show company has ever done anything like this either. The team feels more confident than ever. It's like the only truly real fear was in the unknown. Now that we've done it, it feels like anything is possible.
It was a revolution, and legends will be told about us. 18,000 drones in only just 2 very short days. The whole team was like one, and we made it through.
Just look at this. This beauty right here, that's what we work for. So many people working on this. It's a colossal effort, for sure. But when you look, you understand what it's all for.
My ambition is to always push your technology to the next level. With more drones, more challenges. If I don't make you guys sweat, then I haven't done my job.
I think everyone gave 100% of themselves under these tough conditions. I'd never seen anything like that before. How quickly the guys adapt to sudden problems. How fast they solve them. How quickly they find solutions.
Hey, I would put drones with everything, yeah? Drones for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Everyone who is here with us these days, you are the best team in the world. Something like this, no one will ever be able to repeat. Thank you all for being with us, for supporting each other, and for all of us being one united whole. Only because of that did we succeed and, in just 2 days, managed to pull off the impossible preparation for this show.